My video is about getting rid of the adware called DefaultView. DefaultView is the adware from the adload family of adware type infections. This particular adware called DefaultView actually may show a lot of its intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. DefaultView adware, once installed, starts to show many annoying advertisements randomly on your computer screen. If you have found this DefaultView adware on your system, of course, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this horrible adware as soon as you can. This is where you can do that. Right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner. So go to the website combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.